Throttle cut off. Timer start.
You got nose gear gyro, I hope.
Yeah, I do. Take off!
That's dipping left.
Gear up.
Yes, it is. Very heavily.
So we're gonna
Flight
have
pack 24.0 volts.
let me do the trim.
1 second, let me turn around. I may have to mechanically fix this. Still right wing.
It's going right or left?
It's going left. Much better.
Not bad. Maybe a couple more clicks.
Flight pack
Yeah.
23.6 volts.
Okay, let's see.
Let's turn around.
Level flight.
Time remaining 2
Is it going
minutes.
up, down? Which way is it going? Still going left.
1 second, no, let me turn around and then let you do it. Let me turn around first.
Actually,
Lower speeds, it's not.
no, not
no.
bad.
Yeah, I need more trim.
More what?
Flight pack 22.9 volts.
No, that seems to be neutral there. Okay.
No, it's still going. It's turning left.
It's because that wing's twisted.
Now it's fine.
Okay.
Beautiful. It's heading a little towards the nose, but that's fine. Not a bad.
Yeah,
It's a little.
you know what? It is.
Flight pack 20.
Yeah, but you're very slow too, right? How come when you you're not supposed to fly slow,
Time
you fly
remaining
slow?
1.
Okay, I'm gonna fast. Okay. Because I'm a little scared right now. Okay, let's
Flight
see.
pack 21.7 volts.
Not
Still.
over the dog park. though. Okay, call it out. Jimmy's gonna take it for a bit.
Yeah, if you want.
You ready, Ice?
My last flight for this today.
You see it?
Yeah, I know, that's good.
Okay.
When he comes around here. Okay,
Flight
I.
Ice, you got it?
I'm gonna turn around and give it to you, not towards the dog park though.
flight
Okay,
pack
yeah, give it to him heading toward the trees. About half.
Okay, I gotta
throttle.
land. No, I gotta land. I'm out of battery.
Flight pack
Landing.
1.9 volts. Flight pack 20.
Okay.
0 volts.
You're not landing
Flight
from that
pack
height.
20.
I'm not.
0.9 volts.
Okay, you should
20
be good in
seconds.
just a second.
Takeoff flaps 10, 9, 8.
You can line up for landing. He'll be
6,
clear by the time
5,
you
4.
Okay, lining up for landing.
Time expired. Flight pack 22.0
Get lower now.
volts.
Get lower now. That way you have to get
Half flap.
lead that speed.
Half flap.
Lead that off. Yeah.
Half flap.
Half
full
flap.
Full flap.
Full
Landing
flap.
flaps.
Okay. Nose down. Nose down. Nose down. Oh, you're gonna be long.
Go around.
Go around. Go around.
I make it.
Go around. Wedge.
I reverse.
Okay, that was okay. Other than you were landing in
A
the
little
dog
bit
park.
more when you start going over those trees, Wedgie.
Yeah.
It's all that height that's very difficult to get. That's way too high, but get down. Get down. Keep your speed up too, but just get down.
Okay.
Throttle off. Throttle off. Nose down.
Yeah.
Oh, now you're way too high again.
Landing flaps. Flight pack 22.5 volts. Throttle cut off.
Reverse.
Braking 1 minute over. Brakes off.
My braking didn't work.
Braking didn't work. Okay, go and get it so you don't damage the damn thing.
I don't know why my throttle got turned on. I pushed the wrong button. Otherwise, I would have gotten full reverse thrust. It would
No,
stop.
but you're landing here.